In this video tutorial, we will going to learn how to create a table using Design View in Microsoft Access 2010. For this tutorial, I will going to open the DVMark database. And then to create a table, I'll click the Create tab and then choose Table Design. From here in the field name box, I will going to type Patient ID, and then the data type will be text. I will going to make patient ID as the primary key, meaning to say that this is a unique in every record that we have in our table. So to make this primary key, so I will going to select this field name and then click primary key. And then to continue, I will click again this box and then type first name, and then the data type will be text, and then we have last name and then text, and then we have address, and then the data type will be text again, and then we have the state, the data type text, and then the zip code, and then the data type will be text. To save this table, we can click the Save button and then type patient as the table name. Then click OK. So that is how we create a table using Design View in Microsoft Access 2010. So to view this table using Datasheet View, we can just click this View button, and then you will going to view this table patient in Datasheet View. So after clicking the View button, you will going to show the table patient in the Datasheet View so that you can enter the record that you have for this table.